Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Bittorrent price prediction and Bittorrent news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Bittorrent in 2022. Bittorrent is a popular peer-to-peer, P2P, file sharing and streaming platform that has become much more decentralized in recent years. Bittorrent was originally released in July 2001 and acquired by the Tron blockchain platform in July 2018. Since the merger, Bittorrent has added a plethora of new tools, including a dedicated native cryptocurrency token, BTT, launched in February 2019. BTT was launched on the Tron blockchain and using its TRC-10 standard. According to official documents, Bittorrent is currently the largest decentralized P2P communication protocol in the world. The original Bittorrent was the brainchild of Bram Cohen, a developer and entrepreneur who has since become well known in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cohen says he developed Bittorrent to take the edge off an outdated entertainment industry that was making it slow and expensive to get content. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Bittorrent. Tron's Justin Sun resigns, says foundation will be dissolved by 2022. In a surprising turn of events, Tron Network founder Justin Sun has resigned from his position as CEO of the Tron Foundation. Sun announced the decision in a letter posted to the Tron website, saying that he will now dedicate himself to other projects. The Tron Foundation, on the other hand, will be fully dissolved by 2022, according to Sunday. The decision was settled beforehand, back in July 25 this year. The revelation follows Sun's announcement that he has been appointed as ambassador of the Grenada government to the World Trade Organization in Geneva, a new role his duties he would now take, going forward. Aside from his role as ex-CEO of Tron, Justin Sun is CEO of Rainberry Incorporated, which was formerly known as Bittorrent Incorporated, a technology company that developed the Bittorrent peer-to-peer protocol. Rainberry was later subsumed and acquired by Tron in 2018. According to Sun, the decision to step down from Tron was aimed for the greater benefit of society, such that having a founder of a thriving community abdicate all power over users, assets, and data would ultimately be beneficial to the community. Following the announcement, 3 super nodes, Justin Sun Tron, Bittorrent, and uTorrent, associated with Sun, will be removed and withdrawn from the Tron technical grid, effective immediately. In effect, the Tron community will be voting for 27 new super representatives to replace what Sun has left behind. Despite his departure from Tron, Sun promised that he will continue to support and encourage the development of Tron and its decentralized community. Sun has been a controversial figure in the crypto community, notwithstanding allegations of workplace harassment and copyright violations on the Tron white paper itself. Tron, which was touted as one of the first Layer 1 blockchains that were considered as Ethereum killers, has had a significant impact in the decentralized finance (DeFi) sector and continues to grow its features and offerings on its own protocol. The second news, let's discuss the next question. What can we learn from Canadian crypto freeze as war in Europe rages on? Governments have never really been the biggest fans of Bitcoin, BTC, and cryptocurrency. Not only does crypto escape their monopoly over the issuing and supply of money, but it also helps individuals escape any monetary restrictions they may wish to apply. However, Canada sought to strike a blow against cryptoassets last month, following a series of protests against COVID-19 restrictions that began in January. Its federal government invoked the Emergencies Act and issued a number of executive orders against financially supporting the protests, while the Ontario Superior Court of Justice granted a Mariva injunction specifically aimed at freezing the cryptoassets of certain protesters. This injunction represented a rare instance of a government trying to halt the flow of cryptoasset, and for industry players speaking with cryptonews.com, it could set a precedent for other governments to follow. At the same time, the injunction will also heighten demand for self-custody and peer-to-peer, P2P, trading services among ordinary holders. And this becomes even more important as the war in Ukraine rages on, and sanctions are being imposed on Russia and its ally Belarus. A dangerous precedent for Bitcoin. More than a few analysts expect that the Canadian Mariva injunction makes similar actions likelier in the future, particularly when the wider context is taken into account. The most recent activity around crypto, particularly with significant hacks and in conflict areas, and those governments' involvement signals that governments are interested in controlling cryptoassets more than ever. An undeniable reason for this is that cybercriminals use cryptoassets in illicit activities and can be used to fund wars and terrorist activities, said Melody Brew, the principal analyst for fintech at Mur Insights and Strategy. Well, now we will move smoothly to forecasts for the near future and beyond. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid rise in prices and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Bittorrent, BTT, a good investment? How much will Bittorrent cost in 2025, or how much will Bittorrent cost in 10 years? BTT, price prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for BTT will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $0.003 and a minimum bid of $0.003. The maximum bet is expected to be around $0.004. BTT Price Prediction 2023. For a long-term forecast of the Bittorrent price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of BTT will rise to around $0.005 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $0.006 with a minimum price $0.005 level. Bittorrent Price Prediction 2024 and 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of Bittorrent will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.008 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.007 with a maximum price of $0.008 for 2024. Bittorrent Price Prediction 2025. It looks like by 2025, Bittorrent, BTT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $0.010. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Bittorrent's maximum price could reach up to $0.012 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Bittorrent Price Prediction 2026. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Bittorrent could cross $0.018 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2026. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2026 will be around $0.015. Bittorrent Rate Prediction 2027. BTT has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Bittorrent, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of $0.024. BTT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of $0.022, a minimum price of $0.021, and a maximum price of $0.024. Bittorrent Price Prediction 2028. The current Bittorrent price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore BTT could reach $0.036 by 2028 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.032 for 2028, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028. BTT Rate Prediction 2029. BTT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Bittorrent rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2029, the Bittorrent rate will be almost $0.046.